don't even know what's in.
I have to ask Todd.
Oh, there's an old console in there too.
That's another game.
Yeah. See, I'd be curious on the whole bin.
The whole bin.
Yeah. You coming? Morning.
Morning, how are you?
Pretty good. Weather radio, those are cool.
That's one of those weather things.
Yeah, those tell you like a tornado's coming.
Yep.
Those are kind of
They
useful.
all work.
They're $1 each.
Yep.
I'll probably grab those. Those are nice to have. Peace of mind.
Use the owner's manual.
Cool. You like those dolls, Anna?
They are a good buy. That is.
Yeah, I love them.
Yes, ma'am. You can try it out over there on the electrical cord. Okay. All right, I will. Those are all women's clothes right up here.
Yeah, I'm trying not
They're
to wear them.
$1. But they're nice women's clothes if you got a
I do,
know
I do.
somebody, a hefty woman, because they're big.
Well, all right.
Hefty woman.
I would never say I knew a hefty woman.
I don't know how else to. Lord and God. All those watches
Yeah,
are
look, this
$1.
guy's cute.
Gotta have batteries. I got about 10 at home with darn these darn batteries. Yeah, I need to make a wall.
That's cute.
Something
I know, isn't it something?
Those are all cute to play with at the house. Oops. Oh, Colin Jackson rolls up late as always. What is this thing?
I don't know what that is.
Yeah, that's interesting.
I think it's some kind of office. Those are 50 cents a piece, the cufflinks.
Caring has a melody all its own. How cute. I saw that. She got some poop on her. Let's go on the other side and see if there's anything. So, Colin, how's life?
See what I can find.
Pretty good. Those are handy.
What do you do with those plastic bags you bought out here? Yep. You also.
These guys are funny looking.
I know they're somewhere. Covered up everything last night.
Why are their faces like?
I don't know. They're interesting. I think they're like handmade. Made in China.
All the clothes are $1.
That's kind of interesting.
And there's some knives on
Yeah.
Christmas or something.
Yeah. So these I found. These are cool. Weather alarms. So like when tornadoes are coming, it's $1 a piece. I'm not. Why not? Safety first. Yeah, safety first. I want to get a storm shelter.
You want a bag?
If you got one, I'll take one. This is a nice little clock. Oh, Colin, this is cool.
It's like Beauty and the Beast.
Yeah. I gotta pay you too.
Yep.
Any good little.
What? That blanket.
$1.
We have that.
$2. There you go. Thank you.
You know what? Oh yeah, you got it in there. I was looking for all the little things that went in there. I don't know. All my grandkids are out of this stuff.
Yeah. This is just kind of the remnants, huh?
You want that for 50 cents?
I don't know. Anna, do you like that? It's a mirror.
It's like Beauty and the Beast.
It's kind of cool.
It's old. You
Yeah.
know that.
I don't know. I don't think I need it. Yeah, thank you. You good? I got you. All right, let's I mean, Colin, that's how long they take, man. They're fast.
That's so crazy.
They're fast and furious. They take 5 minutes. All dirty. See how much that is? How much is the Rock Band stuff?
The Rock Band stuff, maybe?
This stuff here? Spider. I don't even know what.
Oh, Africa X-Con.
Oh, there's an old console in there too.
That's another game.
Yeah. See, I'd be curious on the whole bin.
The whole bin,
Yeah.
$20.
My truck died. I don't need to
20?
Big truck. For 16 years.
Maybe 15?
Sure.
You want to keep the tote?
Do you need it? Will you use
I
it?
don't. I would use it, but if you need it, I'm happy to leave it for you. So it's your call. It's 15.
Go, you can have it.
Okay, cool. I'm gonna keep shopping. Yeah, it's a game
Oh,
for
it's
it.
a thing.
It
Yeah,
might not
hopefully-
work,
yeah,
but
hopefully it's not
Hey,
too tore.
Jen said.
but the drums and stuff
This
should be
was
okay.
we had multiple drums, and these were the original drums. And the other ones are always went kaput, but those stayed.
Yeah, those are pretty good, so I'm
Yeah.
hopeful.
Yeah.
Okay, cool. Let's keep looking,
Thank
Anna.
you.
More shoes. Oh, there's a wagon,
Turning everything on.
but that's not the right kind of wagon. That's like
Nobody knows it works.
a gardening wagon.
What's the TV worth?
Wagons aren't cool.
Garden wagons aren't cool.
No. Wagon wagons.
Clothes. Oh, what about this? This is cool. Like an old little workshop.
I don't know how people get their feet to get. I don't know how people get their feet to be this skinny.
I think it's for a doll. I want this. This is cool. Very cool.
Is that a baby time?
I hear it. Sounds like a very tiny baby. I hate how heavy you have to breathe for the mask. Who's selling this? $2. $2? Yeah. It's cool.
It kind of looks like one of the baby dolls that's on eBay.
I think it's a very young baby. There's $2 for that.
Thank you.
Thank you. Anna, there's a blanket. A Mickey blanket.
That's a traveling blanket.
9 or a 10.
Oh wow.
You have a 10.
Grandma will like that.
This is kind of cool. You know what it does? You push it and it like waddles.
Okay. Okay. Can we leave you alone too long? What's the matter? What's the matter?
Yeah,
Wants to be entertained.
you don't see anything you like, Anna? What is it? Oh yeah, he's cool. Presto Power Popper.
If Callie came, Callie would be like, Dad, Dad, look at this. Look at this. Dad, look at me.
This chair is actually kind of cool. So is this giant bear.
But look,
Pretty cool.
crumple.
Yeah.
You feel it.
Cool though. Oh, how old's the baby?
22. She is 3 months old.
Oh my. So tiny, huh?
Yep. 22 for that.
Gilly water.
So Lauren, do you have?
Did you get the box of stuff?
That box? Yeah. Yeah, about that for 15. Some movies.
Did you buy the barn?
Um,
Or no?
the barn, yeah, I bought that too.
Can I go get it?
Yeah, go put it next to my other box. P90X. How much is a P90X?
Let's say $5.
Oh, you got it? Enchanted. Would you do 4 on the exercise? The P90?
Thanks.
Thank you. I get some singles too.
Oh, I gotta find a new DVD. Hold on, there's one in there.
I got it.
Oh, okay.
Already. I hunted it down already. Thank
Cool.
you guys.
Don't tell Dylan. Just tell Nathan. He paid more than that.